Hi kids! Today we are learning about amazing snakes. Let's go! King Cobra.
Yay!
Watch out! The king cobra spreads its giant hood with a powerful pose.
Python.
Yay!
Wow! The python stretches its long, super strong body.
Rattlesnake.
Yay!
Listen! The rattlesnake shakes its tail with a loud rattle, rattle.
Anaconda.
Yay!
Splash! The giant anaconda glides smoothly through the water.
Viper.
Yay!
Careful! The viper flashes its long, sharp fangs.
Boa Constrictor.
Yay!
Amazing! The boa constrictor wraps around like a giant living rope.
Coral snake.
Yay!
Look! The coral snake shines with bright red, yellow, and black bands.
Black Mamba.
Yay!
Zoom! The black mamba races faster than you can imagine.
Garter Snake.
Yay!
Wiggle, wiggle! The garter snake explores with speedy little moves.
Green tree python.
Yay!
Up it goes! The green tree python curls into a perfect spiral high above.
So many amazing snakes! Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.